Public speaking is an original form of mass communication. And though we've come a long way from standing on a soapbox in the middle of the town square, the underlying concept of one person speaking to many has not really changed. The largest change to come to the concept of public speaking within the last decade is the change of where the audience is. We are no longer constrained by having to be in the same room as someone giving a lecture or presentation. But with that new freedom also comes new considerations, particularly in the way of how and when the audience will view the presenter. Enter the NewTek CaptureCast. Powered by NDI, the CaptureCast addresses these considerations by capturing up to 8 full NDI or 6 NDI-HX-enabled sources within a network, recording them independently, and then sending this content to whatever streaming destination a lecturer desires. PTZ cameras, box cameras, screen captures, NDI encoders, the NDI-HX camera app, even the NDI VST plugin can all be brought into the CaptureCast, all without running any additional cables. In a classroom, for example, an instructor can have an NDI stream from their laptop via screen capture and an in-room camera side by side on the screen. This can be sent to any number of LMS or streaming destinations. Next door, another instructor can use 2 more NDI sources and stream to a different destination. This process can be repeated for each classroom using this configuration. In addition to multiple streaming destinations, the CaptureCast creates index presentations or transcription-based timecode points within a stream, which allows viewers to click through a lecture based off of when presentation slides are changed or by what the instructor said. By using Panopto or Kaltura LMS services, recorded NDI sources can be played back in a multi-camera experience, which allows the viewers to choose exactly which camera angle they would like to see within any given lecture. The CaptureCast takes all of the guesswork out of lecture capture by providing an easy-to-use web UI for scheduling lectures. Each classroom can be set up with multiple configurations of cameras and sources, and each can use a different screen layout. Instructors will not be required to configure or begin their recordings. They can simply trust that the CaptureCast is working. In situations where one CaptureCast is not enough, the CaptureCast Command Center service is available to monitor and control multiple CaptureCasts from a single web UI. This allows a manager to view any video or audio input on any of the CaptureCasts on the network, configure schedules, and provide updates and support without having to plug into each box separately. The applications for the NewTek CaptureCast are near limitless. Obviously, the CaptureCast will find a home straight away in the education space, but can also be used in training spaces, medical facilities, courtrooms, city council spaces, and even traditional meeting conference spaces. Wherever there's a need for ISO recording and multiple destination streaming of content, the CaptureCast will be ready to make the process smooth and simple. For more info on how you can put CaptureCast to work in your school or auditorium, call us at Exertis Broadcast. We're your experts and we're here to help.